Dear students, very good morning, namaskar and sat sri akal to all of you. Seeing you all after a very long time, after the gap of 30 days. So today you are all back here on the behalf of School Managing Committee, on my behalf, on behalf of all your worthy teachers. I welcome you back to your own school, and you may all clap for yourself. We are also welcoming you. Dear students, let me state a fact, and that too very sincerely. We say this is Reverdale Public School. But I must say, 30 days, we didn't find Reverdale Public School anywhere. It was only building here. It was assembly ground here. We didn't see you here. Corridors were here. You were not present in the morning. Your morning greetings were missing. Every day when you come in the morning, you wished very gracefully. So every day we were present in the school, we were here in the corridor, but your morning greetings were not there for us. We missed those morning greetings very badly. We had this assembly ground. We used to stand here in the assembly ground in your absence, but there was no one with whom we could interact, who could listen to us, who could respond to our greetings, who could greet us. Then also your morning presence was missed very badly. We used to see our playground that is in a very poor condition now, but as long as you are present and you are strolling there, you are playing there with your schoolmates, with your classmates, with your teammates, then this playground is also in a very good condition. So we missed you, and your playground also missed you a lot. Was missing. Soul was missing. A real heartbeat of the classroom. That heartbeat was also missing. Your teachers missed you very badly there in the classes. In the last 5 days, all teachers came to the school. They were sitting in the classrooms doing their work for all of you, but you were not present. There also you were missed very badly. And every day when you are present in the school, we find you interact with with your teachers, you talk to each other, you do your classwork, you work on your handwriting, you work on your communication with your teachers, you work on your understanding of the concepts every day. Either a little bit or a lot of progress is there. A little bit or a lot of improvement is there. We missed that improvement. We missed that progress. So you were not present here in the school. We couldn't judge your progress, your improvement here at the school, but you had your work with you. You had your work, na? All of you had your work. Sabhi ke paas kaam tha. So I'm sure if progress had not been made here, the progress must have been made at home. All of you are very responsible kids. All of you must have become more responsible now, because when you people are present here at the school, your teachers motivate you to work. But when you have your work, but teachers are not present with you, then you have to motivate yourself. So for that, you need to be highly responsible. I'm sure that all of you must have worked in a very responsible manner at home. Did you all work in a responsible manner at home? How many of you have done complete work? Absolutely complete work here? How many of you have done absolutely complete work? All right, I'm very glad that number of students are there who have done their complete work. How many of you have done your work with your heart and soul, and the work is absolutely neat? Now people are looking at each other. But many of you have done neat work also. You have done it with heart and soul. That's very nice. You were given projects. Some of you came to the school also to work on those projects. You were given models. So some of you came to the school to work on your models. I'm very happy. I have been told by your teachers that many of you have done a lot of creative work, have done beautiful work on the models. So good team effort has been done by the students. I'm very happy, and we are hoping that now that you are back here at the school, good work that you were doing at home, good work that you were doing here at the school, that good work will continue. Will it continue? Will it continue? Very nice. So show your enthusiasm. I think that when you clap, you get that enthusiasm back. Show your enthusiasm, please. Different routine there at home, and there's different routine here at the school. 30 days that you spent at home, you were away from the school's routine. Now that you're back here at the school, it's important that all of you should be back to your previous routine. How many of you remember your previous routine? How many of you remember your previous routine? पहले का रूटीन किस किस बच्चों को याद है? 30 डेज से पहले का रूटीन जो यहाँ पर स्कूल में फॉलो करते थे। ऐसे पहुँचना, ऐसे यूनिफॉर्म पहनना, ऐसे बैग पैकिंग करना, ऐसे क्लास में बैठ जाना, इस तरह से क्लास पास लेकर क्लासेस से बाहर आना। किन किन बच्चों को वो सारा रूटीन अच्छी तरह से याद है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू भूल गए? याद है? ओके, पुट योर हैंड्स डाउन. If you are not wearing your ID cards, it shows that this routine has been forgotten. So my dear children, we should be back to our previous routine at the earliest. Like today also, a lot of time was taken in reaching the assembly ground, in taking the positions here. So quick movement is very important. Very quickly when you come, you should reach your classrooms, you should keep your bag there, you should get ready for the day's work, and when assembly starts, very quickly we should take our position here in the assembly. Okay? So पे काम बहुत किए, जो सबसे ज़्यादा हमने मिस किया, that was your achievements. बहुत सारी achievements 30 days पहले स्कूल ने हासिल की, और ऐसी बहुत सारी achievements अब आप सब ने हासिल करनी है. So on daily basis, you are to compete with yourself and you are to succeed in improving yourself. Every day, each one of you should be in competition with yourself. किसके साथ competition करना है? एक दूसरे के साथ कि खुद के साथ? खुद के साथ. कौन कौन उस competition में जीतेगा? जो competition आप खुद के साथ करेंगे, तो उसमें रोज के आधार पर कौन कौन कंपटीशन में जीतेगा? वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. तो जब कंपटीशन में जीतना है, यानी कि हर रोज के आधार पर वी आर टू बिकम बेटर. व्हाट आर वी टू बिकम? बेटर. बेटर और वर्स? बेटर. दे शुड ऑलवेज बी प्रोग्रेस, दे शुड नेवर बी एनी रिग्रेशन. हमेशा आगे बढ़ना है, पीछे बिल्कुल नहीं. इस थॉट के साथ सभी बच्चे अपने आप को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करें, अपने आप को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करें. टीचर से गुजारिश है बच्चों को क्लैपिंग के साथ वेलकम करें. बच्चे भी नाउ दैट दे आर बैक, दे शुड शो साइंस ऑफ एंथुसियाज्म, साइंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. इट शुड बी a happy day for all of you. It should be a day full of happiness, full of learning, full of improvement and full of progress for all of you. All the best to all of you. Let's conclude our morning assembly.